Okay, move the panel that was up here in the front. Now the 1/2 inch socket, we're going to get these other three, take those off, and then again move to the back. Okay, now to take off the weight in the back, we're going to have to remove this bar right here and have a screw here and a screw on the other side. After that's loose, it'll have access. Again, it should be a 1/2 inch. So we'll just loosen up those bolts and then we have access to... Alright, this is how we're going to take this rotor off of here. Put something in here so whenever I turn it, it blocks it, and then we can turn that nut, loosen it up, and then take it right off. We got the rotor off, the weight off in the back. Now we're going to start unhooking all the things that are attached to the outer tub. And we start with the shocks and then work our way. Or actually, we'll start with the motor. Take the motor off and work away from there. Okay, we're going to remove the motor here. And I have a 1/2 inch nut bolt that holds in the motor, and then you just need to pull out this wire that's hanging here using a needle nose pliers. You can pull it down and get it off of there. Okay, after we have that pulled, the motor rotates like so, if you can see that. Motor rotates, and then we can work the motor out like so. Now the motor's unhooked. We can just leave the motor right there. And then next thing we're going to do is remove these shocks here. And I'll show you from the front, get a better view. Okay, to remove the shocks, you press down on the tab like so, and then you twist them, and then they'll pop right out of here. And you can just move them off to the side. You can just leave the bottom left in there. So we're going to do that all the way around and in the back. Okay, once our shocks are removed, we're going to start removing any other item, such as this plug here, and remove these wires off of here. And then unhook the pump. And these can come out by taking needle nose pliers behind here and squeezing the plastic rivet type thing, and then popping them out. And we can get rid of these wires here. Move this top hose like so. Remove this hose, pressure hose, by pulling it off. Pull right off. There you go. And we're going to take this clamp off just by getting a pair of pliers and squeezing them on there and pulling it down. Okay, the last item we have holding on to the tub is this right here, and we're just gonna use our pliers, pull back on the clamp, and work on the hose here until we get it off. Okay, now I got everything unhooked from the tub. All it's left are these springs holding on. So what we'll do is pick up on each side and try not to smash our pump and motor control and all that down there, and then pull it out. But this is a lot lighter than it would be with the weights on it. Okay, here's the tub out. I picked this up by myself. Again, it's because I took the weights off. Now what we're going to do, we're going to mark where the first one begins, so I at least have a mark for that. Then we'll mark one side. You can mark, we're marking these because the next thing we're going to do is take a flat screwdriver and pop these off. We just want to know where they go. You can mark both sides, one side, whatever you got to do to kind of get an idea where these clamps go. After you got a mark, either marking a side, mark it right there, wherever, you just got to mark them so you know where they go. And you start popping them out. Screwdriver. Do it all the way around. Having problems getting the basket out of the rear tub, the basket and spider arm. You could take a block of wood. So what I did is I put the rear tub up on 2 5-gallon buckets. Just paint in there so they're heavy. And I'm going to take a block of wood and a sledgehammer and bang it out. Also got a towel down there to kind of help brace the fall a little bit. So I'm going to take a block of wood, sledgehammer, hammer it out. Reason for the block of wood so we don't mess up the spider arm back there. The nut goes on.